Okay, the first time didn't work, so Scott's using his innovative mind to help us get the shot we're looking for. Hold still, hold still.
Lay still, cupcake. Talk about low-hanging fruit.
All right, Scott's gonna try something else here.
It's a high price to pay, but they're thinking. Look what I'm willing to sacrifice. My dignity. Let's stand back.
Hey, you lost your dignity a couple minutes ago, yo. You gotta get them over here.
If those guys would stop feeding them, they'd be over here in a
They
heartbeat.
would.
Are you with them?
No. I'll ask them to stop. Hey! Will y'all stop feeding him so they'll eat his? Hold on. One of these is gonna come out. I can't see a picture of nothing I'm thinking. You give me one, I'll throw it in the air.
I'm scared because I'm afraid it's really going to happen.
It is gonna happen, Joe. Mine.
No.
Yes, yes.
Do it!
Yes.
No, stop, there's too many around him. Just throw them on him. Throw some in his ass crack.
Is what?
You're the one doing it.
Lay still. You're touching my face. Lay still.
Your tape.
Lay still.
Oh my God. Hey, the pigeons like it. No, don't turn over. You would like that too much. You already stuck it in your butt. We know.
Is that an indication?
Oh my God. That is hilarious. Oh man.
We may have a taker.
You got a pigeon.
JB, come talk to us.
Oh my god, dude.
What just happened?
It is so sketchy, man. There was pigeons like in my ears and stuff. And oh, they would swarm around me and I would just hear them so thick and I like knew it was coming and I was like, no, what did I do this for?
You guys really entertained me. That was awesome.
I tried.
I got bad pictures of that.